Hey guys, we are at the end of the Ride for Change ride. Listen, this thing was amazing. Everybody came together, they came out and supported. So Ride for Change is an organization that's created to fund ministry. So we had everybody coming in, man. We rode, we just took the whole entire road. We had police escort. Hopefully next year you'll be able to be with us, be able to partner with us. You can find me on Facebook, Rick Scott. But we have enjoyed ourselves. God has really blessed us. So we hope to see you next year. And if you don't, you're going to miss it. God bless you. See you soon.